It's a giveaway, and we turned up. I got 1,000 subs, and we turned up. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Deja Denise, and as you can see by the title, we have reached 1,000 subscribers, and I am so happy. That might seem so small. I've waited 9 years to get here. Long story.
Okay.
If you want a story about how I got remonetized, just let me know in the comments below. If you want to know about my first YouTube paycheck and all that good stuff, just let me know. So to show my attitude of gratitude, I wanted to give my subscribers some YouTube essentials. A cute little YouTube starter pack for some up-and-coming YouTubers who may be super active and want to, you know, have a whole bunch of subscribers one day, or are striving to 1,000, but they don't have the essentials that they need. So I want to be able to help a little bit. So the box will have 5 goodies in there. They are a bit female-esque, but if you're a guy, you like those kind of things, still enter. So first things first is an LED ring light. Cute. I know when I first started, I did not have my Canon G7X. I was using my iPhone, but my lighting wasn't always the best. And I wish that I had a selfie ring light that I could like take around with me and record like this with, and still have some good lighting when I vlog. Next is a smartphone tripod. Like I said, not everybody starts off with a really good camera. A lot of us start off with their phones. So this is a mini tripod for on the go. So next is a really cute letterboard. I don't have a letterboard up, but I have changed my background up a little bit. This is the first time with this background, and sometimes when you first start, you have like colors behind you or like backdrops and things like that, and that can get kind of boring sometimes. So if you want to spice it up, add some little flair to your background, this will be really cute. You can put subscribe on it, you can have your Instagram name on it, anything that you see fit. And last but not least is a planner and a calendar. So these are super important, and I don't think people realize how much bigger YouTubers use these things as well. Sometimes they use it on their computer or on their phone, but when you like write your thoughts down and then put them into action, you're more likely to do them. So the planner says make your dreams happen, and the planner says girl boss, which is super cute. But what I really like about it is that it's undated. So I know for a lot of folks that are starting out, you kind of like are super excited at first and then you kind of fall off. That way this is undated, so if you do fall off, which you shouldn't, be consistent, this can follow you along forever, or until you run out of space. So that is it for what comes with the giveaway. If you do want to enter, listen up. So rule number 1, if you are not already subscribed to me, you have to subscribe to my channel. Duh. And there are multiple ways to check, so just make sure that you do if you enter. Rule number 2, you must comment 2 video ideas that you would like to see on my channel. Try to get creative as you can with that. Rule number 3, in the same comment, I need you to write what your channel is about and your goal before the end of the year. So if your goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before December 31st, awesome. If your goal is to get remonetized, let me know. So the rules are pretty simple. I hope you guys are really excited about this giveaway. I will be choosing a winner with the random comment picker, so it is fair for everyone. Deja from the future here. If you are picked with the randomized comment picker situation, I will comment under your comment that you were the winner, and you have 24 hours to write your Instagram name so that I can DM you. Once I DM you, you have 24 hours to respond to me so that I can get all of your info to you. If you do not respond within those 24 to 48 hours, I will be having the comment picker pick somebody else. Back to the video. I can't wait to see all of your comments. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.